Who deleted it? Wait, why is my name everywhere?
Mimi, what exactly did you click?
Just one shortcut. It looked normal. Questions later. We have 10 minutes to take back our website.
The phantom key is still trying to spread.
Separate the danger before fixing the damage.
They disconnected the laptop. Too late.
The second key is inside their festival file.
Wait, it's inside our registration file?
So why don't we delete it?
And delete our festival entry? Brilliant.
Can we separate the symbol from the file?
Wait, opening it could start the signal.
Go ahead, Luna. Open it.
Wait, I saved a copy before Mimi's shortcut.
You're telling us that now?
You were busy breaking things. Argue later. If it's clean, we're still in this.
Gizmo, bring the offline computer.
Please tell me I saved the right version.
Now you're worried?
Quiet, it's loading. Looks like you saved us.
Why is my name asking for access? They found the copy.
Then take their entry now.
They're replacing us!
30 seconds!
Felix, the copy! Gizmo, move!
Tell me we didn't lose it. Homepage? Everything's coming back. Then why is everyone still standing? They shut us out completely. Let them enjoy their victory.
We will meet again. So, Mimi,
What did that shortcut save?
It nearly cost us everything.
Now that sounds like something worth remembering.
When something goes wrong, don't hide it. Tell your team.